Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing. On the application of Hacoo, we go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.